In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic to earn commission. I made $10,211 in commission just in 13 days with Fiverr affiliates just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month. Okay, $10,211. This is my commission, my clicks, my CTR. People who used my affiliate links to buy those services. So in today's video I will share with you step by step how you can do it. You just need to copy and paste, and let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, so first step guys is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. So you just need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and you will just answer next few questions, and that's it. Sign up process is gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest with free traffic to earn commission. So I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So all you have to do next is you just need to go to your home page on Fiverr like this. Go back to your home page, click over here on the search, and search for this website. Search for this service. Search for Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest SEO. Okay, search for Pinterest SEO. So why I choose this service? Because we will promote our affiliate links on Pinterest, and since we are using Pinterest, we will try to promote services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account, to grow their businesses on Pinterest, so they will make more money, get more followers, get more likes, more views, and for us we will earn commission. Okay, so search for Pinterest SEO, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let me show you. Let's go back. So like I said, you need to choose good sellers. Okay, so let's choose, for example, let me see. I can choose, for example, like this one. This one is level, it's a Fiverr choice. It's a really good seller. Okay, so if you see this, it's a good seller. You have he has a lot of reviews, as you can see, and almost 5-star. So what you will do, you will just click on his service. Okay, so I will click on this seller service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see guys. Okay, and as you can see guys, this seller has a lot of orders in queue and people keep coming back, so meaning that this service is working, and people who are using Pinterest, they are buying this service. This is the pro. It's 24 orders in queue. People keep coming back. Look how many reviews, look how many people paid for this service. Okay, so it's working. People who are using Pinterest, they are buying this service, because only people who has Pinterest account will buy this service. Okay, so if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just, what you will do next is you need to copy the link of the seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, report. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. It's super easy, guys. Open a Pinterest account. If you don't have one, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to choose Pinterest business account, not personal account. Open Pinterest business account. Okay, so just search for Pinterest, click over here on this link, sign up by using your email address, choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and Pinterest, guys, let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you for free. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors. That's really a lot of traffic. All you have to do next, you need to click on home feed, click on create pin, and what you will do next is you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So just go back to this seller profile page. You can even, this seller has a video that's really good.
If you want to expand your online presence and reach more customers,
that's really good. So what I will do, this seller has a video. Double click on the video and click over here on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, so people who has Pinterest account, they will watch this video on Pinterest, and if they are interested to grow their Pinterest account, they will buy this service from you. Okay, I'm gonna name it SEO Pinterest, for example, SEO pin, and here you go. Go back to Pinterest, click over here, and upload this video to your Pinterest account. Click on open. Videos are better than pictures, so always choose videos. Okay, and here you go. All you have to do is you need to put your title and description. Go back to the seller profile page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr affiliate, so you can use those information. That's all fine. That's what I do. And I'm gonna put the title, description. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, so you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy this part. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Instead of this one, you should have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So it's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here and go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, click over here on choose a board. So if you are new, you just need to click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. It's super easy. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, and here you need to put tags or keywords. So go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, go back to the seller profile page and scroll down like I said. Okay, keep scrolling down until you see tags. Okay, here related tags. Okay, copy those keywords, Pinterest marketing, Pinterest SEO, Pinterest management, and put all those keywords here. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your service will be published on Pinterest as an affiliate. Okay, and it's really super easy, guys. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay,
attention! If you want to expand your online presence and reach more customers, don't overlook Pinterest. With its massive user base and search engine capability,
you can see, guys, that's a really good. Okay, it's a good service. That's really this seller explaining how he will grow those Pinterest accounts and help those people to grow their businesses on Pinterest. So it's impossible that those people will not who has Pinterest business accounts and they want to grow their businesses. It's impossible to not buy buying this service from you. It's already they are already buying this service, and this is the proof. You can see here 24 orders in queue. People keep coming back. People keep coming back and buying more services. Do you see how many 500 reviews? Level 2 seller. This seller is good seller and people are buying this service. So if you do it correctly, if you follow those steps, if you stay consistent, if you are using the good keyword, good videos, you can make a lot of commission using this method that I share with you for free. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.